What is love?
All things were indirect.
Indirect. Oh gosh, chuppa chuppi.
I gave her example of Parvati.
Okay. Namaste everyone, this is Avanti and today I am back with your favorite Aji. आप सबके आजी बन गए हो. सब लोग चाहते हैं कि आप उनको अडॉप्ट करो.
Oh,
किसी ने आपको शादी का प्रपोजल भी दिया है.
how come?
Because they like you a lot.
Liking a person does not necessarily end into a shadi.
That is very true. That's actually what we're going to talk about today. So, Aj, we're going to be talking a little bit about love and marriage and dating and, you know, different views on that. And so, मेरा पहला प्रश्न है, what is love?
Love is liking a person without much expectation. मैं इतना करती हूँ, वो उतना नहीं करता है.
Yeah.
That thing should not be there. And you should like the general attitude of that person rather than, of course, background is also important, but background is sometimes not in the hands of that person.
Yeah.
In which family he should take birth, all these things are not in the hand. But how the person behaves, goes ahead, that is more important.
And that's in the hand. That's
Yeah,
something you
of
can
course.
control.
Family has a very important role in bringing you up. But that doesn't depend on the money or other these things.
Yeah.
Okay?
Yeah. No, that makes sense. So first, let's talk a little about Aji's love story. So how did you meet Baba?
From first admission after inter-science, we were in the same class.
अरे वाह, कौन से कॉलेज में?
Podar
Podar.
Medical College. And that was for 5-6 years, you know.
Nice.
And in first year what happened, out of 60, only 10 people passed. So further batches were 10 people. And there were 3, everywhere we go, 3 divisions.
हाँ जी.
Suppose we go to the hospital, 3 consultants are there, so 3 in a batch, like that.
Yeah.
So always we were in the same batch.
In the same-
because of our surnames.
तो नागराल and जोशी वो साथ में.
Yeah. Because only 10 people, 3, like that. So we came more in contact with each other,
Okay.
yeah, because of that.
Makes sense.
And he was highly disciplined.
Yeah. That is true. He was very disciplined. So then how did you contact में आए और आपको की दोस्ती
yeah.
बन गई?
Yeah.
But then how did you start dating or become in a relationship?
Because after that, only 3 people, we started studying together.
हाँ.
So that was the more, company,
Yes.
studying together and all. And he was very principalistic. Of course, I was also. So after passing, then this question came. Because after passing, usually the girls, their parents start looking for
somebody.
about
So आप-
marriage and all. So I declared to my parents that I would like to marry this person. As a openly, Dr. Nagaraj and I never had such open conversations like that. All things were indirect.
Indirect. Oh gosh, chuppa chuppi.
But all the time we were together, studying together and all.
So what did your parents say?
Parents first, because after all those years,
Of course.
so many years back, they were a bit, they knew him well, that he is a very good person. But I was a Koknasta Brahmin family. He is from Lingayat.
Okay.
That is Vaishya. I'm from Maharashtra, he's from Karnataka,
Yeah.
and all these things. Though as a boy they liked him, but all these other things
The
were
societal things.
coming in the way.
So then how did you...
So I discussed with my mother. I gave her example of Parvati.
Okay. What's the example of Parvati?
Huh?
No, wo...
Shankar तो हिमालय में and Parvati was a Rajkanya.
Okay.
So that thing you accept, and these things also you should accept.
Yeah.
Yeah.
So you told your mom first.
Because they knew him well.
Hmm.
Even all my relatives knew him, because anybody gets ill, goes to Podar Hospital. And for all the time he was like a way in Podar Hospital.
Yeah.
That's why they knew him. All of my relatives knew him.
Nice. तो आपने आई से बात की, right? You spoke to your mom.
Both of my parents.
Both. And then what happened? What did Baba say to his parents?
No, Baba's father was not living. 1 or 2 years before that he had passed
He had
away.
passed away.
Even his people, because his brother had came for a child and all. So I was there in Podar hospitals. So as such they knew me.
Yeah.
And they never had any opposition. Only thing is that he was all the time staying with his mama, Dr. Jatti,
Yes.
who was the Vice President of India. But before that, he was in Jamkhandi. He was in Jamkhandi school.
Yeah.
And all schooling he did with his mama.
Yes.
And in Karnataka, it is almost a rule. Mama ki ladki se shadi.
Oh gosh.
And he was the mama and his ladki was there. But what he said, त्यांनी सांगितलं बरोबर आहे, कारण आमच्या ह्याच्यात तशी पद्धत आहे. पण मी त्याला स्पीक इन मराठी.
हो, हो, हो.
हां. पण मी इतके वर्ष मामांकडे राहिलो
Oh.
आणि ती पण होती. सो आय ऑल द टाइम लुक ॲट हर ॲज माय सिस्टर.
Yes.
So how can I look at her as my wife now? That was his argument.
Yeah. Smart argument. See, you and Baba had a love marriage, and my mom and dad, they were introduced. Now theirs was thoda sa
Yeah.
arranged, and they were from different communities. Mom is Punjabi,
Yeah,
dad is Maharashtrian.
yeah.
So did you feel any objection to that or no?
Not at all.
Yeah.
In marriage, first step is the two individuals should agree, means cooperate. Family also should agree. But if the individuals are very strong and they want to do it, then family members should come next.
Yeah.
Correct. But if it is arranged marriage also is not bad, because it's not that everybody will meet somebody.
Of course.
Yeah.
Of course.
So in arranged marriage, only thing is that formerly in arranged marriage, only the male had the say. But now, in arranged marriage also, the woman as the man and the man, both are equal,
Yeah.
and they should have some say. Both say yes, go ahead.
Yeah. Yes, to anybody watching, both parties have to agree.
Yeah.
So, Aj, if you look at it, you and Baba were different castes. आपकी जाति अलग थे, right?
जाति, province अलग, भाषा अलग.
जाति, province, भाषा. Mom and dad, my mom and dad, state alag, same, city
Same,
alag,
same,
this,
same.
that. And Steven, who आपको याद है, you've met Steven. Last जब जनवरी में आया था, हमने हवन किया था. You remember meeting Steven?
I know.
Yeah. You didn't know at the time कि...
That time I didn't know, but now, now I got the news.
You got the... What did you think? जो आपने उनसे सिर्फ 5 मिनट के लिए मिले.
Yeah.
What did you
But
think then?
when I came to know
Yeah.
about this, I immediately said that he is a very good person, according to me.
Yes.
Yeah.
And you...
But Avanti had a good choice.
Thank you. what would your advice be to me and to anybody else who is dating somebody or getting married to somebody who's from a different culture, different religion,
Yeah.
different jati? What
Yeah,
would your
yeah.
advice be?
But you know, culture, jati, these are secondary things.
Yeah,
You must how is the person? How is the person?
yeah,
That is most important. These are secondary things. And even in arranged marriage, it's not that iski family or similar hogi.
yeah.
Yeah?
True,
Yeah.
true. What's the key? What's the 3 tips for a successful marriage?
Number one, Adar. मला
Respect,
आता-
respect.
माझं my brain is coming down. You should have otherला आपण काय म्हणतो
Respect, respect.
Respect for another person. Adjustment.
Oh,
Okay. And when a person is there, other things also come with it.
yeah.
So you should be able to accept them also.
Can you give me an example from your life?
Nee, for example, his relatives.
Yeah.
Yeah. Okay.
Yeah.
So you should be able to adjust.
Yeah.
Adjustment is the main in marriage life.
Adjustment is the main important
Adjustment.
thing. But from both people.
Of course, I'm always about equality.
Yes. Yes. आज ही आजकल I mean आपकी पीढ़ी में भी there was a lot of divorce happening. है ना? मतलब people are breaking up or there's a lot of divorce happening. तो what is your opinion on divorce and
On this
on divorce?
divorce,
Yeah.
that is happening because I think because if there is some very severe cause, I can understand. But for smaller things, after all, life is adjustment.
Yeah.
Not in only in marriage, even in your profession, in your public life,
Yeah.
even when in travel, you have to adjust everything.
Yeah, exactly.
So,
Exactly.
and marriage, most adjustment is required in marriage.
In marriage. But क्या होता है?
If it's some severe problem is there, it's okay.
Yeah.
I'm not that nobody should get divorced or something, but the reason should be
Should be there. But कभी-कभी क्या होता है? People are in a marriage and sometimes there's domestic violence or mistreatment and लड़की को बोला जाता है you should adjust. Divorce नहीं होना चाहिए क्योंकि अगर आप divorce
Yeah.
से हो then कोई देखेगा
Sure.
नहीं.
Yeah.
तो do you agree with that it should be?
If she is being तो उसको त्रास होता है, उसको ये होता है, and she decides. So,
Yeah. And so
because then, suppose the parents of the husband are not behaving well with
Yeah.
her, doesn't matter, but the husband should take her side.
yeah.
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 If he also is with the parent, what the use of her staying there? See?
Yeah, exactly.
So that is most important.
No, I agree. So, just to wrap things up about love, marriage, dating, any last words you want to tell people?
Marriage, number one, it should not be something about money on other thing. त्या माणसाचा स्वभाव
Oh,
is most important, and adjustment has to be done after marriage in some.
in some
But
way.
in some trivial cases, if it is not according to you have to neglect it.
Yeah. No, that makes sense.
Then only the marriage will be successful.
Yeah.
Because marriage is for not only for two of you, children, her parents, his parents.
Yeah.
So it is something like a company.
It is. It's a contract. It's a legal contract. Ajit says marriage is a company.
No, I don't want to say it in that way.
Oh gosh. Thank you so much, Aji. I think people will enjoy your views और आपकी प्यार की कहानी भी बहुत पसंद करेंगे. If you enjoyed this and want to see more, please let us know. And as you know, as always, like, share all of that stuff. And do you want to say bye?
I think whatever I said, from at least inside your mind, you must have agreed.
She knows. She knows.
And in your future life, you should go like that. And I wish you all successful married life.
Thank you, Aji. Bye.